In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the functionality within managed environments called as app description with Copilot. Now, app description with Copilot is applicable for Canvas app as well as model driven app, but both the functionalities are a bit different. So I'm going to highlight those within this segment. Now, manage environments app description with Copilot basically uses artificial intelligence to help create description for the app. Now, I've seen that many times when people art provision an app, like they either forget to put the description of the app, or maybe they exactly don't know what to put in the description of app. So, artificial intelligence will help you build those text for your description content. Now, this capability is powered by Azure OpenAI service. And to use this capability, your app must be in a managed environment. So, you need to provision your app in a managed environment, and then you can provision this capability. Now, presently, it is available for model driven apps. However, I have seen that you can do that for Canvas app as well. Okay. Now, uh, as you see over here, here I have a Canvas app which I have provisioned using Copilot. Here I have a Canvas app which I have just created it from scratch. Okay. Now, if I go into the first Canvas app and if I click on settings, I don't see anything added in the description. So I'm not going to do anything over here. I'm not going to put the description. I'll just close this. I'll publish this app. And again, no description. Similarly, the app which I created from scratch, I'll click on settings, see the description, no description. Okay, good. Publish this app, no description, publish this version. So I have two Canvas apps with no description at all. Now I've created another app called as Olympics app called as it's basically a model driven app. So I may start adding some records. So if I click on add app and then say data was stable, and I'll select account and maybe contact. If there is a contact table, yeah, let's add contact table, and then it will start adding accounts and contacts. Now once you're done with this, I will just click on save. And under settings, now remember this is a model driven app and I'm in an environment which is a managed environment. Okay, I click on setting, and here under description you will see something called as create description using AI. Okay, now I have an option either to leave it blank, or I can suggest and say create description using AI. So it will start looking into the control, it will start looking into the application, and then based on that, it will suggest some description. Now remember, this button create description with AI was not available within your Canvas app. Okay, so I'm happy with it. I'll say okay, I'll save, and I'll publish it. Okay. Now, what to do with the Canvas app? Now, here you don't find the description button, creation using AI. So, this is a demo immersion app and this is a project tracking app. So, now once I publish it fully, then I'll go into the apps, Power Apps, go into the right environment, Girish Dev. And now, if I navigate to apps, here, you will see the two apps which you have published. One is the Olympics app, which is a model-driven app, which it has taken the AI description, from the application itself. But if you see here under project tracking, okay, so this is a project tracking app which we haven't put the description, right? Now it has automatically generated this content, and it also suggests that AI generated content may be incorrect. You can suggest some content. So what it has done, it has automatically put this description. Okay, although we haven't put that in our project tracking app, but it has now filled this interface. So that means if your app is in managed environment, then automatically the uh, app description gets auto populated using artificial intelligence. So that's one of the feature of managed environments. That's it, folks. This is all about app description using Copilot for a managed environment. Thanks for watching.